We are pursuing more exquisite manufacture process, more fitting design, much closer service, all the time. Star Elevator Group, a professional elevator and escalator solution provider. This is Star Elevator World. Let's go! Small machine room design, less space required in construction, increased rate of space utilization. Compared with the traditional elevator design, Star elevators require low overhead and pit depth, maximizing the cabin space to bring the passengers comfortable feeling in the traveling process. Our cabin is made from high-grade steel plate with strong structured design, filled with sound insulation material to make sure it's quiet inside, even when the elevator has a high speed running. Our motor adopts the latest generation of gearless permanent magnet synchronous machine, highly efficient. The insulation class F coil with high durability. High permeability magnetic steel to stimulate high equilibrium speed, equipped with German Heidenhain 1387 rotary encoder with a precision up to 1/10,000. We researched and developed a new generation of Star Intelligent Control System, double 32-bit microprocessor CPU, realizing integrated control of the drive and frequency conversion technology, which can give signals accurately. Our door operator adopts VVVF control and synchronous belt transmission. Adjust speed steadily. The door detector system with enhanced infrared ray sensor technology, making sensitive action to ensure door opening and closing accurately. In case of an accident, motor brake acts at the first time, and speed governor, safety gear, buffer coherently act to stop elevator running. We adopt high-quality pre-stretching special steel wire rope with strong tensile strength, safe and durable. Traction wheel surface with non-slip coating can effectively avoid abnormal sliding. In case of overspeed, elevator will be stopped by control system monitoring and mechanical safety devices immediately. In case of an earthquake, the detection device acts, which can land on the nearest floor and stop service. In case of a fire hazard, our elevator will activate the fire landing function automatically. It will not answer any calls and straightly go to the base floor. Star elevators adopt the LED lighting, cooperating with dormancy energy saving system to comprehensively lower the energy consumption. Star new generation of frequency conversion technology makes smooth and comfortable experience for passengers. Active gliding roller boots adopt level suspension control system, making stable running with low noise. HOP panel without bottom box, easy to be fixed on the wall and convenient for maintenance. IC card access system. Only the people who hold the card can use the elevator. It's better for the passenger management for hotel and office buildings. So many different cabin decoration patterns for you to choose. Integrated COP panel design, humanized braille buttons, liquid crystal display, and the other optional function for you to choose from. Star After Sales Service will provide all-round care from delivery to installation finish and provide necessary helps in whole elevator lifetime. To be a necessary part of a building, to earn a good reputation from the customers and partners, we are trying to be that. Star Elevator and Escalator Group, a professional elevator solution provider.